This is the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. For the first time ever, the College of New Caledonia is recognizing the day with displays in the main campus. And in the John A. Brink Trade Center, this year's Foundation Carpentry class is putting an idea into reality.
The students are building ramps designed to more easily access downtown businesses. But as simple as they are worth their weight in gold for someone with a disability.
We're building 6 ramps for businesses in locations around Prince George.
At the main campus, a first-of-its-kind event. In recognition of International Day of Persons with Disabilities, the college has set up informational kiosks identifying different kinds of disabilities and the challenges faced by those who have them.
We have students here who have disabilities that range from cognitive disabilities to learning disabilities to mental health disabilities to physical disabilities. Some disabilities are permanent, some disabilities are temporary, so there's a whole range of those.
That's the challenge.
Even the simplest tasks become a challenge when one suffers from a disability, and that is the central theme behind the day. But society is chipping away at the stigmas associated with disabilities.
I think they're changing a little bit more quickly now than they were in the past. The province has put out a paper called Accessibilities 2024, in which they're trying to encourage employers to look at persons with disabilities as viable workers and give them a chance.
Back in the carpentry shop, the foundation class is starting with 6 custom-made ramps that can be put in place at a moment's notice and removed just as quickly. Ross Poulin says this may not be the end of it.
We're hoping we can take on like about a half a dozen at a time. I expect that there'll be a little, let's call it ramp envy. Some businesses will realize that this is an accessibility issue and they'll want to provide it for other businesses in town. And so we hope lots of them get on board, and we've easily got the capacity to fill that and build them.
With the Canada Winter Games fast approaching and with those games para-athletes, this project is sure to grab attention. Cheryl Jan, CKPG News.